Hello everybody, how you feeling? It's your boy Pastor Dre right here behind the scenes at creatingwebsite.org. What I want to do today is I want to show you how fast you can update your web page using Thrive Architect. Right now my web page, my home page that I want to update, it looks like this. And I want to make it a little bit more simpler, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my dashboard, okay? Oops, sorry about that. Let me log into my dashboard here. Boom. Okay, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how fast you can make a change to your home page using the plugin called Thrive Architect. All right, so I'm in my dashboard and we're going to go to Pages. Click there. Okay, and we're going to go to Add New. Okay, and I'm going to title this page cheap.com domain names. Okay, and we're going to hit save. Now, once it saves, I'm going to go to Launch Thrive Architect. Watch how fast you can update your home page. Okay, so then what we're going to do here is we're going to go over here, click this Change Template thing, and we're going to start with a blank template. I mean, there's so many options you can start with. It's pretty cool. They already have templates made for you, but we're going to start simple. Okay, boom, blank page, choose template. Start from scratch. Okay. Then what I want to do is I want to put a take this out, and I want to put a menu here. So I'm going to go to the right, click the plus button there. Okay. Scroll down and look for custom menu. There it is. I'm going to drop that here. Okay. My menu that I want to choose is, here's all your menus you can choose from. I'm going to choose my header menu, and I want to choose this style of menu here. I'm going to scroll down and click done. So now my menu is already done. That's our menu. Boom. So now the next thing I want to do is the web page I'm shooting for to look similar to is like this one. So let me just give you an example of what I'm looking for. I want it to look something like this. Okay? So boom. So let's go back. So now what I noticed is there was a little logo here. So let's put our logo. So what I want to do with that is I want to go here. And I want to put columns. So I want to find the columns option over here. There it is. See it right there? I want to slide that up, drop it in. And I'm going to put 2 columns. And then what I'm going to do is I'll put an image in this column. So we're going to go here. Boom. And now my image is going to be my actual Domain Price Cheap logo. Okay, so let me scroll to my logo and put it here. Click it here and insert into the column. Okay, see how we did that? And then what I want to do is I want to center this logo. So I go to Layout Position, and I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to hit Save. Okay? Then what I want to do is I want to slide check here, make these arrows pop up. I want to slide it over, about right there. Then I want to grab my custom menu, okay, and I want to slide this into the other column. Boom. So I'm going to slide it over so your menu stretches out. Boom, looks real nice. Okay, and then we're going to slide it up. So we're going to select columns and see where it says 10. We're going to make that 0. Okay, there you go. So now you got your header. Next thing we want to do is we want to put some type, some text. So you hit plus and you go to text and you drop it under. And we're going to center it, and our text is going to be cheap.com domain names. Real simple, not too complicated. I want to simplify the page a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to make this an H2. That's good for SEO. Let's make that an H2. I'm going to bold it, and I'm going to put it in the center. Boom. And then I'm going to click it, and I'm going to go to Main Options, and I'm going to make the typing a little bit bigger. Okay, let's go about right there. And then I'm going to click on it, go up to Layout Position, and maybe slide it up a little bit. Okay, boom, let's put it to about 40. And then we're going to hit Save. Okay, so now, next thing we want to do is we're going to put some more text. So I'm going to put it right under it. Okay, and then we're going to make this an H3, which is good for SEO. I'm going to center it. I'm going to put getyour.com Get your .com domain name today for as low as $9.99 a year. Boom. Real simple. Okay, we're going to simplify our web page. Boom. Next thing I want to do is I want to put a picture, put an image in the back. So we go to the plus. I'm going to drop. What we're going to do is see where it says background section. You're going to drop that there. You're going to click on your background section. Click in here. And you're going to come over here. You're going to click background style. Then you're going to go to image. And then you want to choose image. Okay, so the image I'm going to get is on my hard drive. So let me go get the image. So I'm going to find it on my hard drive. Okay, let me find the image I want. I want that hosting image. I like that one. Let's see if I can find it. There it is, right there. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to open it. Okay. Now, what else is good for SEO is when you put an image, you want to name your alt text. So let's put here cheap.com domain names. Okay, that's good for SEO. Cheap.com domain names. Insert into post. So there's your background image. So now what you want to do is you want to hit apply. And then we're going to go to layout position. I'm sorry, not layout. You want to go to main options, section, minimum height. We're going to spread this out. Make it look big. Boom. There it is. Okay. And then we're going to hit save. Now, if you want to change how your picture shows up, you click on the background section. And then you want to scroll down to where it says background style. Click your image. Or click on your this part right here where your image is displayed. And see these little dots? You can choose what part of your image. Watch when I click the dot. It goes to the top of the picture, middle of the picture, bottom of the picture. So whatever you want to display, top left, top right. I want the, let me see, I like the top part. Well, let me see, bottom part. That looks kind of cool too. Let's see, for domain names, we'll just use that for now, okay? And then we're going to hit apply. And then we save our work. So we're almost there. Now we're going to put this button there to say get your domain now. So the way you do that is you want to go over here to the plus button, content box, drop it in here. Oops, drop it in your, you want to drop it where your picture's at, okay, which is right here. Okay, so now you have a content box. I want to go to layout position and I want to slide my content box down. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to the top up here and slide it on down. Okay, boom, slide it to the middle. Let's go to about 175. Boom. Okay, there you go. Then after I do that, I want to hit save work. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the plus button. I'm going to get a button. I'm going to grab a button. I'm going to drop it in the inside the content. Make sure it says inside content. And then we're going to change our text. Get your .com. Get your domain now. Boom. Okay. And we're going to fix up our button a little bit. We're going to make it the same color as our logo. So you click on the button and you want to go to main options, click your color and find green. Okay. So we want to make it like that green. That's close enough. And you hit apply. Okay, now we're going to change the size of the button. Just make sure you're selecting the button up here. See where it says size and alignment. We're going to try medium. Okay, and then you hit save work. Okay, it's real simple. We're making it a little bit simpler. I think the other website was a little bit, our other one was a little bit too complicated. Let me show it to you one more time. The one we're actually changing. I'm going to try to make this video less than 15 minutes, okay? So here's our other one. It's a lot of typing if you want to select something out for sure. So I'm going to simplify it a little bit. Boom, right here. Cheap.com domain names. If you want a domain, click here. So now we need to put a link on our button. And I'm going to grab the link from where it says domain names here to register a domain name. Okay, so we want them to go to this page when they click the button. So I'm going to select this text. And I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to come over here, click on the button, and I'm going to put it in the button link. I'm going to put that text, and I'm going to hit save. So now when you click the button, it's going to take you to the domain registration page where you get a domain name. Okay, now on the bottom part, I want to put something, let's put a column like this, but we'll put hosting, domain, and website builder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to get a column. Or I'm sorry, I'm going to get, let me get a content box, and I'm going to drop it below there. Okay, so now I got the content box. So now what I want to do is get a pricing table. Let me get the pricing table. Let's see, where's our pricing table? There it is. And I'm going to slide it in here. So it gives me an option, already built option. See that? Already built pricing tables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the names. We're going to put here domain. I kind of don't like this. I don't like that. It makes it complicated again. So let's just keep it simple. Boom. Get a domain name.com. And that's it. And then I'm just going to put something at the bottom. I don't want it to be too many selections like the last one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get background section. I'm going to drop it down here. And then I'm going to get a content box. I'm going to drop it here. Boom. So let me see what we had on the bottom of our other page. I'm just going to make it real simple. Real simple. Let me see what I have on the bottom. I'll just put the border. You know, I'm just going to put this probably this menu and maybe our SEO class. Like I said, but I really want to keep it simple, but not too simple. So let's see. Let me put the menu. Let's see how that looks. So I'm going to go here and drop a custom menu. And that's going to be our footer menu I want. So I go here, select footer menu, and look what type of menu. Let's put a dark one. So let's click that, and we're going to click done. So now we should have a footer menu. It's already built. Boom. Okay, I kind of like that. It's real simple. It's not complicated. I could probably add a little bit more stuff here on the bottom. I'm not too for sure, but I kind of like that it's simple. I could say, you know, talk about our SEO class, but I think I'm going to leave it like that. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Let's click preview. Cheap.com domain names. Boom, get your domain now. It does look a little bit too simple. So, because it doesn't look trustworthy. It looks too simple. So let me see what else I could add real quick. Okay, I know what I add. I'm going to add this this free webinar. So what I'll do is I'll come over here. Boom. And I'm going to click plus. And then I'm going to click text. I'm going to drop it here. And I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to type in register. Or let's put free webinar on how to build your own website from scratch. Okay. Boom. And we're going to make this H2. Helps out with SEO. Boom. Let's bold it and let's center it. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab a image. So let's get a content box. I like putting it in content boxes first. That's just the way I like to do it. You don't have to, but that's the way I like to do it. So I'll put my image in the content box. And something that looks cool for a webinar. Let's see what we got here. What kind of images do we have? Okay, let me go get one from my hard drive here. Go to icons. And let me grab my image. Let me see what kind of image can I get for a webinar. Maybe this one's good. So open that one up. And don't forget to put your alt text. That helps with SEO. So let's put cheap domain names. Boom. And we're going to insert it into post. And then we're going to click on the image. And we're going to resize it. We don't want it to be too big. Okay, and then we're going to center it. So you click on it, go to layout position, and you click this here, center. Okay, free webinar on how to build your own website from scratch. Boom, and then we're going to put a button. Let me see how this one looks. Free webinar, or the pictures first. Okay, I like that. So let's put the picture first. So we're going to put the picture up here. Boom, there we go. Free webinar. And then we're going to put a button to the webinar. Boom, here. I forgot to put my content box, so let's put that at the top above the image. Then I'm going to drop my image in the content box. Boom. The thing I like about the content box is you can, let me just show you what you can do when you put it in the content box. You could change the width and stuff, so you can move it around like that, which is pretty cool. Okay, so boom, free webinar, how to build your own website from scratch, and register now. So we'll just type register now. Boom. And I told you I'd try to make this video under 15 minutes. I'm already over it, so we got to get going. Okay, so register now. Then I'll just put my link. So let me grab the link from this webinar. Right click, copy link address, put it in here. And I click the button, right? And then I go to main options. And then see where it says button link. Put that there and hit save work. All right. And then let's go to preview. And now you got yourself a nice web page, home page. Oh, let me center this for you. Okay, boom. Content box, make sure it's center. Typography, let's put that in the middle. Boom. And let's preview. It's still over to the left. Let me see where am I getting that left. Maybe I should take it out of the content box because I moved it. That's probably what threw it off. So let me see. What if? Okay, let's do it like this. Let's go over here, layout position, and let's center it. Okay, so I did it like that. I centered it from the layout position. So we hit save work, hit preview. Now we should have our nice web page. There it is. That's how you make a quick home page using Thrive Architect. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. Leave a question in the comment section. We try to help you out. Talk to you later. God bless you.